Sobrang sarap kasi na-relax talaga yung katawan ko.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good morning mga Zooks! Back to our daily grind. It's morning and we are so grateful na maaga kami makakapag-gym ngayon. But the catch is, dun kami sa Daily Bird Express. Hindi dun sa mismong gym kasi sarado. So, since Good Friday today, naghanap kami ng coffee shop na open dahil hindi siya marami masyadong tao. And we are so lucky. We got this Zeus coffee.
I don't know if it's Zeus
Init.
or Zeus. Oh yeah, yours is a hot coffee.
Ang init, so maya-maya ko siya.
This is apparently one of the newest chains that's taking over. We don't usually drink coffee that often at mga chain.
Take the next right onto Esteban Abada Street.
At mga chain stores because I don't know. Minsan the quality goes down.
Natry kami isa, hindi masyadong.
In 400 meters,
Dapat
turn
yung
right
mga,
onto F. De La
I
Rosa.
don't know, hole in the wall coffee shops usually are the best. But apparently this is taking over Asia right now. It's the I think it's the Asian version of Starbucks.
So there, ngayon, yun ang sabi ko, papunta kami sa Express Daily Bird. The Daily to. Sarap.
Not too bad. Yeah, it's definitely different.
Ang ganda ng packaging actually. Pakita ko lang.
It's like blue Starbucks.
Take the next right onto F. De La Rosa, then turn left onto Katipunan Avenue.
Hindi kasi may takip siya sa akin.
Yeah, they have a separate. I think you put it to the side or something.
Hindi, tinatanggal lang siya. Which is galing. Init pa, hindi ko pa.
They had a lot of different. They had like you can buy it in 1 liter in a bottle.
And ang daming choices.
Turn left onto Katipunan Avenue,
Ang liit.
President Carlos P.
Ang daming
Garcia Avenue.
I ordered on the wrong place too. I ordered in the pickup section.
So akala nila grab ka.
I explained my whole order and then she's like, "Sir, the order is over there."
Ay, latte daw si Dennis. Babalik kami guys kasi yung friend namin
Anong
I
latte?
offered cafe latte.
Hot.
Alam nyo, ang ganda guys, walang
Head
traffic
south
sa
on
daan.
Katipunan Avenue.
Ayan, Andy's getting the coffee. Our friend. Kasi umikot lang naman kami. Buti na lang di pa kami nakakalayo. Ayan siya. Nilagay lang siya sa ilalim. Hindi siya talaga parang renovated. Parang cart lang. Sobrang minimize yung yung ginawa nila. Gusto ko pakita sa inyo eh. Anyway guys, this is not a paid by the coffee. So lang na pakita sa inyo para, you know, if ever you'll try it, pwede. Yan siya, malaki. And then yung lid. Kasi since it's hot, parang matibay. Para hindi natatapon sa car. So you just open the lid. And like that. Tapos guys, last night, Andy massaged me with the warm candle serum. Yun yung pinictorial at video shoot namin ni Aubrey. Tapos, first time kong na-try yung whole body massage. Sobrang panalo. Kaya itry nyo yun. You can go to their spa. Yung spa nila is nasa Kainta. Tapos yung candle, meron din sila doon. So, kung wala naman kayong time na pumunta doon, pwede yata kayong magpo-home service. By next week, available na. And then, you can just order the candle. And, you know, yun yung pang-massage sa inyo. Sobrang sarap kasi na-relax talaga yung katawan ko. Tapos, alam mo yung nanonood kami ng Netflix. Tapos, nakatulog na lang ako ng bonggang-bongga na nakanganga. Ganon ka-relax guys. Anyways, I'll try this cover. Pero parang mainit pa eh. Ayan, mainit pa. Baka mapasok na naman yung labi ko. So, mamaya na lang. Ayan natin i-try. Can I just show you guys the daan? It's usually super traffic here every day in this area. Pero wala siyang traffic at all. Ang sarap tignan na flowing yung kalsada. At nababakante yung mga street. Happy ako talaga na nagigising ako ng maaga. As in, vacation, diba? Holy Week. Kahit pa paano, hindi naman ako super late na tulog. Kahit pa paano, medyo extended yung hours mo ng pagtulog. Pero, ang maganda doon, maaga pa rin ako nagigising. Which is, gustong gusto ko kasi kagaya nito, kahit tulog pa yung mga bata, nakapag-gym kami. So, pagbalik namin, at least we still have time for them. So, yun yung talagang gusto ko na nangyayari. Ayun na si Andy. Ayan, nandito na po kami sa Daily Talk Express. Ay, Daily Burn Express pala.
Daily Talk and Coffee.
Ayan, kasama po namin si Mr. Tan. Si Andy, nag-aano na. Pakita ko lang yung kanyang mini gym. Yung express gym. Mini talk? Ano?
Mini talk.
Ayan,
And your host.
Oo, tsaka sa bahay lang ito.
And your host.
The host is Mr. Tan. Ayan, ang ating mga dumbbells. Mga machines niya. It's all uniform. It's all the same color. Siyempre may patubig tayo. Ito ang Smith machine. Kompleto siya, guys. Kaya buti na lang may gym kasi ngayon siyempre wala tayong bukas na gym and we have to stay consistent. Ayan, may treadmill din. May cycling. May anong ang tawag dito? Nakalimutan ko. Basta yan, incline chorba. And then ito. Sila eruption papunta na din. Ayan. Dami. Complete ang machine. Ito na. Mag-workout na ako. My workout today is that.
Pero ka bang base?
Puro talk ha. Puro talk. Puro talk. Game na po.
I wasted all my time, I wasted all my nights, I wasted it on someone who's indifferent. He didn't love me right, he told me I was blind, but I never really wanted.
Mga zoobs, we are in the car again. At nakabihis na kami ni Andy. Imimit na namin yung tita ni Andy na hindi kami natuloy kahapon. So pupunta kami ng Hilton Hotel at kakain ng lunch, late lunch kasi hindi pa kami kumakain. Ayan, we are here. And then later meron din kaming plans for dinner. So for this vacation wala akong 1 meal a day.
3 meals.
3 meals tayo, but we're choosing to eat still healthy dahil alam nyo naman kahit na papaano dapat consistent pa rin yung diet natin. At least nakapag-gym kami this morning. Now we are back home. Can't believe we're here again. Yeah, your mom is waiting for us.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least.
Hi mga zoobs, kami ay pauwi na sa lahat ng mga nilakad namin today. And dadaan lang ako ng 7-Eleven kung bukas pa kasi Mimi wants check ko kung ano yung meron doon. And also, Aliyah doesn't like the food kanina daw sa dinner. So, titingnan ko rin kung meron akong mabibili. Kasi everything is closed. Hindi sila makapag-grab. Nagluto mami ko sa bahay but she doesn't like to eat it. So, medyo maarte siya today. Kaya, maghahanap tayo ng
There might be something along here.
Yeah, let's see. Baka sana may drive-thru.
Kasi kanina parang Jollibee sa Kalayaan.
Bukas.
But look like it. Wala.
Yesterday, she ate all the adobo. Ngayon, kaninang lunch, sinigang. Eh, ayaw niya na yung, syempre, may fish. Ayaw niya ng fish. So, ayun.
Mayroon dito kasi may...
Tingin-tingin tayo sa paligid.
Sa Ismo.
Don't forget. Kasi they are trying Grab. Gusto niya kanina pa Dunkin' Donuts. Actually, kahapon niya pa yung gusto. Ayaw lang namin bigyan kasi may cake pa sa bahay. Gosh, may cake pa sa bahay. Oh my gosh. So yan, pauwi na kami. Good thing walang traffic. Update namin kayo pag nasa bahay na kami mga subs. At kung ano man yung madaanan ko. Foodie na pwede sa mga bata.